Thank you for joining me to review how we generate, view, and manage next week's meal plan in NutriLiv. If you simply do nothing, the NutriLiv app will automatically generate next week's meal plan on the 4th day of your current plan. But if you'd like to see it sooner, you can generate it yourself at any time. Open the weekly meal plan settings menu, select View Next Week's Meal Plan, and tap the Generate button. After a brief moment while the app does its thinking and builds a personalized plan based on your survey responses, you'll see a screen showing every meal included in next week's plan. Once you've had a chance to scan next week's plan, you could swap out any recipe you'd like to change. Tap Edit Plan to open the meal swap screen. This works exactly the same way as the Edit Plan screen for your current week. You could select any meal throughout the week and swap out a main or side dish. Now, going back to the View Next Week's Plan screen, you can also tap Grocery List to jump straight to next week's shopping list. Of course, to start your meal plan on time, you'll need to shop ahead. This gives you a clear view of everything you'll need so you can get your shopping done a day or two before your new plan begins. Here's the nice part. Once next week's plan becomes your active meal plan, any items you've already checked off as purchased will carry over to this week's grocery list tab, so nothing gets lost in the transition. This concludes our video on how to manage next week's meal plan. Thank you for watching and for using NutriLiv. We wish you the very best of health. Live long and live well.